Hello guys! Good morning, good morning! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, another style and sexy lingerie na ating Holland review from Pine Tools. So without further ado, let's begin. This is my new collection for today. Look at this. A stripe. O stripe ba tawag dito? Wow! Nice! Ang ganda ng kanyang style. And the color is so attractive. So this is my new collection for today. Look at this. Oh, this is a front view. And this is a back view. Look at this style. The waistline is a garter po ang kanyang ginawang waistline. And then, look at this. Sewing so nice. And beautiful. Oh, wow. Large size pala ito. And also at dito naman, napakaganda ng tahi. Yan. Itong tahi na to, ang ganda, oh. Tinahi ito sa Bernina na may kasamang kaunting maliit na garter. Kaya ang ganda ng pagkatahi. Ganda rin ng pagka-stretch niya, oh. Look at this. Nice quality sewing. And the crotch is so perfect. Look at this crotch. Perfect na perfect po ang kanyang pagka-crotch. This is so perfect at talaga yung ating private part dito is so secure. Look at this. Look at that quality. So nice. Very good po ang kanyang quality. And this is nice style and the color so attractive. This is para siyang rainbow color. Kulang na lang ng iba, oh. Kasi ito ay ilang color lang to. Napakaganda ng pagkaano. Sa fine to po ito. Basta talaga sa fine to, ang ganda talaga ng quality. Hindi ka magsisi. Large po ito, pero para siyang hindi large. Maliit lang siya, no? Kasi ito ay Asian size. Kaya ganon. Ito na yung large size sa Asian size. Maliit lang siya. So, tama-tama lang to sa mga Asian size, maliliit, hindi ito American size. So, the crotch is so perfect, good. The quality, the stretch, very good. Nice talaga siya. And also here, yung kanyang waistline na garter, ang ganda. Pati dito sa dugtungan, sure na sure kang maganda ang pagkatahi. Ito talagang matibay ito. So, kapag i-rate natin ito ng 1 to 10, bigyan natin siya ng 10. Perfect. 10 with 2 thumbs up. Nice quality. Ito po, ang ano niya parang siyang ano siya. Para siyang cotton, stretchable po siya. Oh, ang ganda. Tingnan natin. 90, oh tama. 95 cotton and 5% spandex. Kaya pala maganda. So ito pwede na itong hand wash or sa washing machine. Kaya lang yung mild lang yung ano natin sa washing machine. So that is for today for our sexy bikini lingerie pant. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.